everyone, good morning. I am Ellie.
And I am Emmanuel.
And we are Cooking Mama and Sons. Thank you for joining us. Today is Sunday morning, and we are going to make a traditional Mexican dish that is very common Sunday mornings. We are going to make
Menudo.
No, we're not making the 80s band menudo. We are making the dish, the soup menudo.
Is it really an 80s band?
Yes, you should Google it and figure it out.
Huh.
Do you know who Ricky Martin is?
I've heard of him.
He was in menudo back in the day. So let's get cooking.
So for the ingredients, we have dried chili.
Yes.
And mint.
Mint, we call that hierba buena.
And onions and garlic and green onion.
The green onion is optional. I just had them left over from the ramen and broth that we made, so that's why I'm throwing them in there.
Beef honeycomb.
Let's show them. Beef honeycomb, and it's basically cow stomach.
Cow stomach? I always thought that honeycomb wasn't a meat. Another honeycomb. Beef tendon.
Yes.
And we got beef feet. Looks big. Really big.
And you can admit whatever you want, but like my mom always says, right?
Yeah, mother knows best.
So my mom always says to not leave out, and you can leave out the tendons if you want, but the main ingredients here are the beef feet and the stomach, because it's what gives this menudo the extreme delicious flavor. So, Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's get cooking. So into the pot we are going to add the meat. And I do not cut it beforehand because it's way easier to cut.
What about the bone?
It. Just dump it. Okay.
It smells gross when it's raw.
Take out. Yep, perfect.
Why do we need this?
I don't know. I think it keeps it fresh.
Honeycomb too?
All of it.
I thought honeycomb wasn't even a meat.
But what did you think it was?
Like honeycomb. Like actual honeycomb. Honey?
I thought you were thinking it was the cereal.
No.
Okay, so now we have it all in the pot and we'll arrange it later.
Okay, so we're gonna put the dried chilies in the blender. Okay, now we're gonna smash the garlic. We smash them because they're easy to peel and it gives them flavor. So, I love the smell of garlic.
What do you like most garlic on?
Garlic bread. And garlic twists. We should make those sometime. Oh, this one got a bit smushed. But that's fine.
We're going to do 4 cloves of garlic, and they're pretty small. If you have larger ones, maybe you can do 3 or 2.
Oh, this one got smushed.
Well, you did smush them, you know?
Yep. I smushed the smush. It's getting sticking on my hands. And foot.
Okay.
Now my hands smell like garlic.
Okay, so now we added around 7 cups of water just to blend. We may need to add more to the pot. We're going to add salt. And salt is kind of tricky with the menudo because you can't be tasting it until after the end. You need a good amount because
look at that salt dissolve into the water.
There's a lot of meat.
That's why it's called salt water.
But we're going to blend it, and not show you that we're blending it because somebody doesn't like noise.
I don't like the noise. I'm sensitive to loud noises.
So let's get blending. So we blended it for approximately 2 minutes. So we are going to add this to our pot.
I'll do it. It smells like balloon.
So we can see that it's still a bit empty, so we're going to add more water in a bit. But to the pot, we are going to add the green onion.
All of this?
Just throw it in. We're going to add the onion.
All of it?
No, the one in the purple.
Dump it in.
We're going to add the fresh mint.
It smells like those spring rolls that I usually eat at the Vietnam restaurant that we always go to.
And now we're going to add some more water.
So we're going to lock the lid and make sure it's on sealing. There we go.
Okay, so we are going to go on pressure cook and go all the way up to an hour, and let's do 15 minutes.
15?
An hour and 15 minutes. And now we wait. See how simple that was? Was it simple?
Yep, it was pretty easy. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Do you hear that? That means we are done. So it's been a minute, and now we are going to release the steam. And yes, today I'm using the spoon. We opened it up, as you can see, this is ready, and we cut up the meat, and now we are going to plate it and serve it. Are you ready? Are you excited to eat it?
Yep.
I know I am. For the garnishes, we're going to have some chopped up onion, some crushed oregano, toasted chili peppers, and lime. Okay, so I have my bowl ready, and the way that we prepare it is that we get some onion.
Onion. I don't like onions.
You get some
Oregano and sprinkle it on there.
and make sure it's crushed because it gives off the full flavor.
And then limon.
Then we add lime.
Make sure it doesn't squirt in your eyes. Okay, now we're going to try the menudo that I just made. The soft is really good. Best food.
Okay, so we just had our menudo, and we wanted to share with you our final thoughts and share with you how it tastes and all of that good stuff. First of all, let's talk to the person who has never had menudo and possibly might not ever have it again. I don't know. Let's see. What do you think?
It was really, really good. I like the meat. It was really good. The texture. It was really good.
What about the flavor?
Nah, it was okay. It was really good.
It was okay. Okay, what did you like about it?
The fact that the meat is like fat.
Oh, okay, so just a note, because I know my son, and I knew he was not gonna like the honeycomb tripe, so I only gave him tendon, and that's what he said that he tried and he liked. On my end, I really liked everything. It could have used more salt. It's kind of hard measuring out how much salt to put into it because you can't taste it in the process. So yeah, everybody just added a little bit of more salt to their plate. Once ready, I cut everything up. Everything was really soft, really tender, and which was good. I like that it became kind of like a bone broth, like really delicious. A little bit more flavorful than the bone broth, which was really good. Emmanuel was saying how much he wanted to have ramen with it, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Okay. So overall, I really liked it, but let's see what.
I loved it.
Okay, so.
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, what about? What, thumbs up?
If I had 4 arms, I would give 4 thumbs up.
Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. Don't forget to
subscribe
and to
share
and
like.
We will be here next time with a different dish that may be new to us, or maybe new to him, or maybe new to you. I'm Ellie,
And I'm Emmanuel.
and we are Cooking Mama and Son. Join us next time while we go on a journey of maybe something unknown. Join us, and we will see if we get our 2 thumbs up or pass. See you next time.